Do you know how to paste some rich text in VS Code as Markdown? So I have some rich text here from Copilot, and I have a Markdown file here soon. Now it's a Markdown file, and I paste it, and then we can preview it, but it's not Markdown, right? So how do you do that? Well, the answer is obvious, perhaps. You do paste as, and then you say insert Markdown, and then you paste Markdown. So that's how you do it. You can also do this after the fact. If you paste like that, you have a thing there that you can select insert markdown from. And yeah, so that's how you do it. But there's a catch here that paste as markdown is not built into VS Code. So you need to add it. And one way to add it is to write a Joyride script to do it. I have done that here. Call it Pastedown. And it needs two npm modules as well. There is a link in the description to where you can find this script with some how-to notes about how to install it and use it. I hope you do. Thanks for watching.